Welcome back. Coding is one of the best skill sets you could have nowadays. But getting a coding environment set up on your machine may not be the easiest thing in the world. So, let's take a look at some awesome ways you can run your code online without having to download anything. First up, we have Google Colab. Yes, this isn't really an IDE, but I love Google Colab. And since it's an online way to run code, I would say it's a little bit higher than just an online text editor. Google Colab also allows you to run your code on Google servers as well, which allows you to alleviate some resources off of your physical machine, depending on the project. Here is a link to check this editor out. Next up, we have Gitpod. This is another online IDE that allows you to edit your projects online. Although this IDE does have a pricing structure, it's still completely free for a majority of projects you're probably going to build. If you want to check this IDE out, here is a link to it. Next up, we have Replit. This is an awesome free browser IDE that you can use right now. This specific IDE supports over 50 languages, requires no downloads, and can be integrated with GitHub as well. If you want to check this IDE out, here is a link to it. Next up, we have VS Code, but specifically their online portion. Now, this is more of an editor than a fully fledged IDE. But I still want to throw this in here since it's an awesome way to build your projects online. If you want to check it out, here is a link to it. There you have it. Do you know of any other ways we can run our code online? I would love to hear your thoughts about this. If you have any suggestions, thoughts, or just want to connect, feel free to follow me on Twitter. Also, below is a link to some of my favorite resources for learning programming. Thanks so much for reading.